Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Virgos. We are picking few cards, and I have fairy tale pick a card love reading coming right after this general energy. So, if you are interested to watch that pick a card love reading, you can watch it, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and one card for your career situation, Virgos. So let's start with the general reading. We have the Tower, Ace of Cups in reverse, and Four of Cups in reverse. So, Virgos, with these cards in your situation, guys, there are some positive changes happening in your situation. It may be in your career or it may be in your life. A new person is coming or a new beginning is coming towards you. It may be a new career path, something which you are really passionate about. So some career choices or paths are coming towards you, but it may have its own disadvantages, guys. You need to be really careful, think it through before making some important decision. And there is a person approaching you. It may be a new love, or it may be someone interested in your friendship. So they are coming towards you, maybe, guys. So again, you may not know the truth, what this uh, person's qualities are. You may not know whether they will be compatible with you. So you need to think it through before taking that next step towards this love, towards this connection, guys. And I also see some changes happening in your situation, in this love or in your career. Some sudden changes, unexpected turn of events. So it may be something worrying you, stressing you a lot, but these changes are necessary for something positive to come into your life, guys, in your career, or it may be in your personal life. So that is what I see with these cards. Virgos, let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Fool in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, in this connection, it may be in this love or in any connection. The reasons for troubles may be your carelessness or that person's carelessness, that careless attitude, or they don't want to make the efforts, or you don't want to make efforts to maybe hold on to that person or make that relationship work. So some kind of lack of that responsible attitude, that may be the reason for troubles in your love situation, guys, Virgos. It may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. So let's see what is the card for your. We have Two of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, some news is coming towards you, guys. Some important communication is reaching you today, Virgo. So it may be something good for some of you, but for some of you it may be something really stressful, guys. It may be regarding some delays or some project suspensions, or for some of you, you may even lose your job. But it may be something to worry right now. But maybe you are getting a better job. Better job is coming to you. That may be the reason. for this change in your situation, guys. Virgo. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading coming up right now, guys. Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy story. So, whatever your situation is, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card for the first reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what is your fairy story. It's brother and sister transformation. So with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, it just means that whatever knowledge or wisdom that we have in our situation, and whatever likes or dislikes or instincts that we have, so all that must work in harmony if we want a peaceful life. And in our situations, maybe some things are pointing us towards something in our life, in it may be in our relationship or it may be in our day to day life. There are some warning signs you are seeing. You need to be really careful, guys. If you are maybe if you have people telling you something, suggesting you something, or you yourself are having some instincts about something or intuition about something, you need to listen to it. If you do not do that, there will be some consequences and you will have to live with those consequences, guys. So today you should not fear the people who are envious of you, jealous of you. You need to move forward in life, have that positive outlook, listen to people who are suggesting you something. So there is someone suggesting you, it may be your sibling, sister, or a brother telling you something, you need to listen to it. So that way you will be able to overcome any difficulties in your situation, guys. And this story, the story with this card, is about the balance that we need to maintain, guys, in our life. So we should not go for that instant gratification. So things are tempting us all along in life. There are so many circumstances tempting us, but we should have that strong will in our heart. We should always lean towards good life, guys. So in order to lead a good life, we should not take up something, we should not go for that instant gratification in our situation. So that is what will work against us. So we need to think through what needs to be done today, and our actions should not affect the people who are with us. So we should think about that also in our situation, guys. So for that harmony and balance, to find that harmony and balance in our situation, we should take life in a simpler way, learn to live life simply by leaning towards the good things, maybe good behavior, good habits, good words, and we should care for people, maybe younger people in our life, maybe our younger siblings, brother or sister. And this card has a strong, what to say, that bonding between brothers and sisters. So maybe in your situation, guys, you have your brother or sister helping you, suggesting you something, you need to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, this is your story. I hope it resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So now let's start with the second card. So we will keep this aside. So this is your second card. We have the white snake. Understanding. So that is the card. Such a beautiful card here. So this card just means that all our sacrifices will be rewarded for sure, and good work or good behavior or goodness in us is always rewarded, and our courage is always rewarded. So no need to put up excuses when we are confronted with truth, guys. So we cannot make any excuses to escape from some truth in our situation. So something has come up in your life, maybe some experience. People may seem distant, unemotional, or lacking in warmth towards you. But if you continue to do the right things, be good and be in your goodness, or not change by the way people are treating you or by the way your circumstances are going. If you continue to be yourself, to be that good person, there will be a breakthrough moment, guys. So there is also a time, a turning point happening in your relationship. So this person will understand, will come to understand what you have done for them, what you have done for this love, and what you are worth. So you will be able to change people's life, help them to heal, and help them to heal in this situation, guys. Maybe they are hurt, they have some negative past, or some past memories are hurting them, or maybe for some of you it may be your present situation. They are hurt by how things are going today, but you need to understand that you have the power to heal with your goodness, guys. And by showing that true love and true goodness you have in your heart, you are going to heal your situation and heal this person you love, guys. So that is the story with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.